Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with a HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And we can do this by connecting the charger onto the Gosund smart socket, which will tell the exact statistic on my phone right here. Now let's try plugging it in. So the phone just started charging, and now we can open a Gosund app. Right here, go to electric tab, and now we need to wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute till all of the statistics are stable. So I think the statistics just stabilized and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.